Okay, good morning, dear students. We are in geometry portion, and at first welcome to you all in today's class. I hope you all are in ready position, and let us start with our first theorem of our related to the area of triangle and quadrilateral. Here I had written one theorem with a solution. Okay, here parallelograms on the same base. Okay, parallelograms means yes, plural form it is, it means there is a more than one parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel line are equal in area. We have to prove here. Okay, it means on the same base. Okay, base must be same. Yes, I had told yesterday what is the meaning of base and parallel line, and if you draw one base at first and parallel to this base one line draw, okay, and join these two vertex, you get one a bucket shape. Yes, same shape for each theorem related to this triangle and quadrilateral. Okay, same shape at first you have to draw. So keep it in mind, this shape, same shape, only change now from here. Here parallelograms is standing on same base. So we have to make two parallelogram at least to prove this theorem. So if you draw one line here, you get one parallelograms. If you draw another line from here, you get another parallelogram here. Yes, in this figure, yes, we suppose this BC, this is the base. Okay, same way here you see base, BC is the base, and parallel to this base we draw another line AE. Okay, AE, this line is parallel with this, two lines are parallel, and in a same base and between same parallel line we draw two parallelograms. Yes, here two parallelograms, one parallelograms A B C D, suppose another B C E F. These two parallelograms are standing on same base and lie between the same parallel. Clear? Now here given, yes, given you write at for while proving the theorem, you know all steps. Yes, given what we have to prove, and if construction needed then we write the construction we do. If construction not needed then proof write and serial statements and reason this table with the statements and reason. So here two parallelograms ABCD and BCEF are standing on the same base BC, lie between the same parallel lines AE and BC. Whatever here language in the theorem, same language you can use for the given portion. Clear? Now to prove area of parallelogram, this is the symbol of parallelogram. Okay, four side, parallelogram ABCD equals to area of parallelogram BCEF. In the theorem parallelograms we have to prove, yes, equal in area. If two parallelograms are on the same base here in the figure between the same parallel line, then we have to prove both area equal. This is our target to prove here. So first of all what we have to think, this theorem we can prove in two way, another by construction of height, but I am proving here by at first these two, see here two triangles between this parallelogram, here see inside this parallelogram here is the two figure, one triangle, another trapezium, this one is trapezium. Okay, And if you see this parallelogram, here also one triangle, another trapezium, and trapezium is lie on both parallelogram. Okay, different is only these two triangle. In this parallelogram, triangle ABF, and another parallelogram there is triangle CDE. These two triangles are only different. Trapezium lie on both parallelogram. So we have to think in a mind that if we able to prove the congruent, these two triangle congruent, then we can show the area as this parallelograms area and area equal. So at first prove the congruent these two triangle. So in a triangle ABF you take, if you take from here triangle and another CDE, okay, keep it in mind, if you write here first which triangle here at the first angle and side of that triangle you have to write in LHS side and RHS side, and after which triangle that's the angle of those side of those triangle you have to write on RHS side. So angle BAF, see this angle, yes, BAF equal with what? CDE, these two, yes. Why? Because these two, this is the parallelogram ABCD and these two lines are parallel. Yes, if parallel, then you know corresponding angle is when two lines are parallel to each other, yes, then see these two lines parallel, then this angle equal with, yes, this one, yes, angle equal means corresponding angle. The corresponding angle formed by parallel lines AB and CD, these two equal. Clear? And angle AFB same way, this one angle equal with this angle, okay. See here angle ABF AFB equal with angle DEC, okay. This one also write here A because angle are equal, A, okay. And now same way region write, but parallel what? BF parallel to CE. Here BF parallel with CE. This one two parallel, okay. So corresponding angle equal. In your own language you can write the region, okay, being corresponding angles, okay, equal that way. And another, see there BF this side, okay, BF side equal with CE, these two sides, okay, this one's equal with this length because opposite side, being both are the opposite sides of the, okay, parallelogram BCEF, opposite side. So S right side, okay, opposite side equal. The AAS, by this AAS congruency test for AAS we proved triangle ABF congruent triangle CDE. Clear? Now this what I tell just, yes, these two congruent. Now if these two triangles are congruent, then area of these two triangle equal. So congruent sign remove, equal, being area of congruent triangles are equal. Congruent means their corresponding sides, corresponding angles all, okay. By this AAS, okay, congruent test condition we can say now there these two triangles corresponding sides angles remaining whatever all equal. So area also equal. So we write the equal these two triangle, okay. Area you can write here area also, okay, and in language if you need. And now these two equal, then add this. If you add in this triangle, if you add this one trapezium, if you add, okay, then you get whole parallelogram, yes, whole part axiom, you know, these two part if you add, then you get the parallelogram ABCD. Same way, if you add in this triangle same trapezium, okay, means adding equal trapezium, same trapezium, okay, adding on both side, okay, on both side of statement 3. In statement 3 you can add the same, okay, trapezium on both side, then by whole part axiom, okay, means from statement 4 if you write this, okay, 2 if you add then you get, okay, whole part axiom also you can write here, okay. Clear? In this way you can prove that if you add this trapezium and triangle, okay, you get the parallelogram ABCD, and if you add this trapezium on that triangle also you get the parallelogram BCEF. In this way you can prove area, okay, if you write area then also you can write here, okay, area of parallelogram this equals to area of parallelogram, or not, if you not write then also it will be right. So in this way we prove this theorem, and another way also you can prove this theorem, okay, by the construction, okay, of height. If you need to prove another way, you can construct here height, one height, as I had told yesterday, height if you construct here between these two parallel, these two parallel, then here that height will be for both parallelogram, okay, you suppose you can, so you can write in this way. If you prove then you write here construction, okay, what do you construction write, FG perpendicular BC is drawn, okay. Now you start to prove, okay, you suppose here G, this height, okay, then have you written all? You can write area of parallelogram ABCD equals to base into height, BC into FG. Reason what you give, being, okay, being area of parallelogram equals to base into height, okay, according to the formula, base is BC and height FG, we can write, same way area of parallelogram BCEF, if you write BCEF then again base is same and height also FG, okay, same, you can write here same region, okay, as in first, same region, okay, or you can write here, okay, if you need then write being, okay, area same way, area of, okay, parallelogram equals to base into height, again you write the same repeated, so as, okay, you can write 3 number C, if, okay, area of this parallelogram also same and this one also same, it means these two parallelogram equal, so area of parallelogram ABCD equals to area of parallelogram BCEF, and you can write here from statements 1 and 2, okay, 1 and 2 you can prove, okay, in 3 steps. If you do the construction, okay, FG perpendicular BC is drawn, right, in construction. If you do in this way also you can prove this question. Clear? The one thing you have to keep in mind, if statement in this way say in exam, then you draw freeway A, B, C, D, K, L, M, N, X, Y, Z, but sometimes language given, okay, I will give you, okay, with a language, then how to prove. See, okay, sometime language given, okay, suppose in this way language if given, okay, I bring here one question. Parallelograms PQRS and QRTU are standing on the same base QR and between the same parallel lines PT and QR, prove that the area of both parallelograms are equal, okay, this way. See here in this question what says, parallelograms PQRS QRTU, okay, same theorem if in a language given. Now you are not free, yes, you draw same figure, one base you draw, parallel with this base one line you draw, join these two, okay, here. Now you make two parallelograms by sketching this line, yes. Now what you have, where you have to put, now in previous one you put here A, B, C, D, but now here same base, first of all base QR, so write here QR, and same parallel PT, so PT, and parallelograms PQRS, so PQRS right here, okay, one parallelogram complete. For another parallelogram QRTU right here, U. So in this way you can draw the figure. Figure is the main target. If you complete the figure, I hope you all can prove it very easily, okay. Now you can either, if this method you do, then you construct here, okay, construction and do. In previous one method if you do, then these two triangle congruent and add in both triangle this trapezium and you can get, okay, you can do it, I think. Same theorem if in language asks, then you can do it, okay, at home. Now let us see another theorem. Right, the area of triangle is equal to one half of the area of area of parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel line. Okay, parallel lines. This one is the question. Okay, see now here area of triangle. Okay, in this question our target is to prove area of triangle is equal to 1/2, means 1/2, 1/2 of the area of parallelogram. Okay, on the same base, both are standing on the same base, both, and between the same parallel lines. Then one base you make. Okay, you can suppose base BC, and parallel with this base you draw one line, join these two. Okay, see here, same way. Okay, I had told already, same figure, initial figure same, this bucket shape. Now here we have to prove the triangle half of parallelogram. So we have to make one triangle and another parallelogram. So if you join this S1, you get one triangle, and you make here another line, then you get here parallelogram. Okay, if another student will say, sir, I draw in this way. Okay, in this way I draw, this I will join, and this one's here. Yes, this is also correct. Here also one parallelogram and another triangle is standing on the same base and between the same parallel. Both figure correct. Okay, which ones you draw in it. Now here you write here A, B, C, B, C, D, E you suppose here. Okay, E. Clear? Now here what given? Triangle ABC and parallelogram BCDE are standing on the same base BC and between same parallel. Okay, same parallels AD and BC you can write. And now what we have to prove? To prove area of triangle ABC equals to half area of parallelogram BCDE. Okay, this triangle area is half of this parallelogram. We have to prove here. Okay, clear? Now for this we have to do one construction. Okay, this theorem also you can prove in two way. Okay, if you construct here one parallelogram, yes, you suppose here F. Okay, here E, another line you can make here and F suppose. Okay, parallel with this one. Okay, and these two are already parallel. Okay, because this one is parallelogram, and now construct here another parallelogram. Okay, parallel with AB means you can write here CF parallel to AB. Okay, AB is drawn. Clear? You can write. Now this one is a parallelogram. ABCF is a parallelogram. We can write here ABCF is a parallelogram. How we can write? Reason, since AD and BC, these two are already parallel, and this parallel with this line we draw this one opposite. Okay, so this one is a parallel. You can write here region AD is parallel to BC. This one is given already. Yes, given, you can write. And AB, okay, AB parallel to CF, that is constructed. Okay. So being AB parallel BC given, and AB that AB parallel to CF constructed. Clear? Or FC CF you can write. Now you had proved just the area. You yesterday I show you one theorem of class 9. Area of this triangle is half of this parallelogram. So you can write area of triangle ABC is equals to half of area of parallelogram ABCF. You can write, yes, region, diagonal, yes, being diagonal AC bisect parallelogram ABCF in two equal triangle, you can write. Okay, clear? Now 3 number. Now see, these two parallelograms area equal, just we proved, yes. So area of parallelogram ABCF is equals to area of parallelogram BCDE, just we prove. Yes, you can write region here, being both parallelograms are standing on same base and between same parallels AD and BC. Here you can write base BC. Clear? Area of parallelogram ABCF and area of parallelogram BCDE. These two parallelograms area are equal, being both parallelograms are standing on same base and between same parallel lines. Now see here, area of triangle is half of ABCF, and ABCF is equal with BCDE. So we can put this one here or not? Yes. So area of triangle ABC is equals to half the area of parallelogram BCDE. You can write the reason. 4 number, from the statements 2 and 3 we proved. Okay, in this way we proved this theorem. Clear? Now if you prove this theorem also by second method, as previously I say you, okay, then you have to construct here one height. Okay, one height, yes, construct here one height, and then you can do. You can write here, okay, area of triangle is half of this base into height. That method you can prove. That is your homework. Okay, in this you proved that by that method, parallelograms also, and then and one thing also, these questions may asked in another way, language. Okay, language, then how to see here, no, not given, but in language I will give you one question homework. You can do it at home. Okay, see, this question may asked in this way also. Prove that the area of triangle RXY is half, okay, half of the area, okay, area of parallelogram PXYZ standing on the same base XY and between the same parallel lines XY and RZ, okay, for this question. See here. Now here in this question, if you see, there is not, you are not free to suppose A, B, C, D, okay, K, L, M, N, Y. In previously, yes, if the title given only, then you can free, but here given base XY you have to suppose, not other, okay. You, if you draw the base, then you have to suppose the XY, and parallel with this base another line you have to draw, okay, then you have to suppose here, okay. See RXZ, then RZ, same parallel, see same parallel lines XY and RZ, base XY and RZ parallel. Now you can join these two, okay. Now make one triangle, see this way you have to join, because triangle is here RXY and parallelogram is PXYZ, it means you suppose here P. So in this way you can prove this, okay. I had made the figure, time has been passed, so I have to leave the room, and you can do it at home, and remaining theorem we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you so much.